Hello everybody, I hope y'all having a better day than I am. I come out here this morning before it got daylight, and I seen a chicken on the pool cover, and I thought, well, one of them must not got put up, or I missed it last night. But I go down and get the chicken off the pool cover, come back up here. About 30 minutes later, it was getting daylight, so I come back down, or come back out, and I see feathers. I'll tell you what, just watch this. This was this morning when I came back out, and it's going to be a little bit graphic, so if you don't like seeing blood, just don't watch it, okay? I'll see y'all here in a second. Now there's feathers all over the yard. Oop. I don't know how many they got, but there's feathers everywhere. It's my mistake. I left the coop unlocked last night. Something must have got into them. There's more feathers there. A whole lot of feather. Oh, there's a chicken. This is going to be graphic, so if you don't want to see this, turn it off. But here's one. Let's see. There's more feathers down here. A whole lot more feathers. There's another one. Damn it. I don't know. Let's see. They ate the head off. Huh. There's another one. What the heck got in here? There's another one. Me. Is that another one? No, that's not, but yep. Oh, screwed up big time. I left the coop open. They just ate the heads. That's just crazy. I'm not going to show you this one because it's nasty. Well, that's what you get when you mess up and leave your coop open, but I don't see any more, so hopefully that's it. I have to go count the chickens. Yeah. Damn. Well, I messed up. Oh well. I'm sorry. Alright, hope y'all having a better day than I am. Y'all have a good one.